In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the color background on Squarespace. Whether you're looking to refresh the look of your site or just starting out and hoping to customize your website to better match your brand, you're in the right place. Changing the background color on Squarespace can seem like a daunting task at first, but I'm here to guide you through each step of the process, making it easy and straightforward. First things first, let's navigate to the Squarespace website. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on the site, look for the login button. This should be prominently displayed and clicking it will take you to the login page. Here you have a few options for how you can log in, but for simplicity we're going to use the Continue with Google option. This is a quick and easy way to log in, especially if you're already logged into your Google account on your browser. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the one that's associated with your Squarespace account. This will grant you access to your Squarespace dashboard. Now, to get to the specifics of changing the background color, you'll want to go directly to your website. Look for a link that takes you to your site, or enter the direct URL to your site's config page in the browser's address bar. This is where you can make all sorts of changes and customizations to your site. Once on your website's dashboard, it's time to dive into edit mode. There should be a clear edit button or link somewhere on your dashboard. Clicking this will take you to a more detailed edit mode where you can change various aspects of your site, including the background color of specific sections. After entering edit mode, navigate to the section whose background color you wish to change. Hovering over the section will often reveal an edit section button or similar. Click this to start customizing that particular section. Now within this edit mode, look for a menu or icon labeled colors. This is your gateway to tweaking the look and feel of the section. In the color menu, you will find a variety of options for changing the background color. Squarespace offers a palette of colors to choose from, or you might have the option to enter a specific hex code for a custom color. Experiment with different colors until you find the one that fits your vision. Remember, the color you choose will play a significant role in the overall aesthetic and user experience of your site, so take your time with this step. Once you're happy with the new background color you've chosen, don't forget to save your changes. Look for a save button, which is usually located in the top left or right corner of the screen. Clicking this will apply your changes, making the new background color live on your site. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to changing the background color on your Squarespace site. Remember, the ability to customize your site is one of the powerful features of Squarespace, and playing around with different colors and styles can really help your site stand out. So feel free to revisit these steps whenever you feel like refreshing your site's look. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.